with drawers where you've got a bit of a problem where the drawers are sagging or they're coming off or the runners need refixed, we can, instead of throwing it away, we can do that. Now to get the drawer out, the runners on the cabinets are designed so that you can get them out to a certain point and they stay. They don't drop down or anything. So to get them out, you lift it up and the two rollers on the front then roll off each other. So it's an easy option to get the drawer out and back in. This drawer, as you can see, is totally broken. It's had a sagging bottom and the back's broken and the front has come off and it's only held on with dowels. So first of all, what we're going to do is check that the runner on the inside of the cabinet is fixed, and as you can see there, it's not. The screws come out and the hole is there for it, but what I'm going to do is make sure that that hole is tight, so when I put a screw in, it actually fixes up. So what we're going to do is, with just an ordinary cocktail stick, if you take the sharp end off, and there's a hole there where the screw used to be, so we're going to pop that in there and just break the end off the cocktail stick so that we can pop it in there so it's the right size. So we're going to pop the screw in to the hole that was originally there, and just screw it down so that it is as tight as you can possibly get it, and that will make sure that that runner doesn't come back out. There you go. So that's solid again.